Hello, my dear friends. Myself, Mr. Balaji G. Kolatwar, Department of Chemistry, Sri Renuka Devi, ACS Mahavidyalaya Mahu. Today, we going to learn about introduction to the periodic table. In that, we see atomic number, symbol, atomic weight, what are element, compound, and mixture with the periodic properties also. So students, do you know who is this? He is a Mendeleev and he made the periodic table. So students, this is the periodic table. Next slide we see what is the periodic table. Periodic table, it shows all known elements in the universe. It organizes the elements by increasing their atomic number. In next slide we show what is periodic properties. When elements are rearranged in order of increasing with their atomic numbers, certain sets of properties recur periodically. So this is periodic properties. In periodic properties there are metallic, non-metallic and metalloid properties are included, and also atomic radius and having ionization energies. Ionization energies are the energies that necessary to remove the outermost electron from the atom. And electron affinities are the energy change when an electron is added to a neutral atom, and reactivity and electronegativity, these are the periodic properties. Now we see periodic properties, the arrangement of periodic properties, like some properties are increasing or decreasing according to the periodic table from left to right side, and some properties are increasing or decreasing top to bottom or bottom to top, like this. So students, next slide we see modern periodic table. So students, this is the modern periodic table. In that we see in vertical line these are the periods, and in horizontal line these are the groups. So these are the groups, and these in vertical line are the periods. So periodic properties or modern periodic table are divided into three types. These are the metals, metalloids and non-metals. Metals are in yellow color, these are the metals. These are also transition metals, and these are also from these are the metal also. And at the bottom, F block elements or F orbitals are also the metals, and in purple color these are the metalloids, and non-metals are in P block elements. So these in green color are the non-metals. So students and friends, we see here how do you read now, how do you read the periodic table or the any elements or having with element with atom O or the symbol that is O, and with atomic number H, symbol O, that is atomic weight 15.999, and the name of that corresponding element is oxygen. So students, what is atomic number? What is atomic number? The number of protons found in a nucleus of an atom is the atomic number, or it can also defined as the number of electrons surrounding the nucleus of an atom in a orbit is the atomic number. Means this 8 number is the atomic number of that oxygen atom, and having 8 number of protons and also the 8 number of electrons. So students, now we see what is the symbol of a atom. Now O is the symbol, that is we see here O, oxygen atom, and abbreviation of the element name is the symbol. Now we see what is the atomic weight. The number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic weight or atomic mass of the oxygen atom. Now here we see how do he find, means Mendeleev, how he find the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in an element using the periodic table. He found there the number of protons is the atomic number of that element, and the number of electrons is also the atomic number of that element, and the number of neutrons and number of protons, they combinedly found here the atomic mass number. Now we see the elements, compounds and the mixture. So students, this is our periodic table, and having sodium atom with 11 atomic number, sodium symbol. Now in next slide we see here what is an element. A substance composed of a single kind of atom. That is, it cannot be broken into another substances by a chemical or a physical means, that is the element. So here best example of helium element is helium. Here we can see here these are the helium atom and having 2 number of protons in center, that is in green color, and surrounding them by 2 electrons in red colors. So 2 number of protons and 2 number of electrons having the helium atom. Therefore the helium having 2 atomic number. These are the some examples of elements. Now we see what is a compound. Here you can see a substance in which 2 or more different elements are chemically bonded together. It's called as compound. It can also defined as compounds are 2 or more elements that share electrons or have taken or given electrons away is the compound. So this is the example of compound, that is methane molecule. In methane molecule 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms, carbon having 6 number of electron and hydrogen having 1 number of electron, because hydrogen having only 1 number of proton and 1 number of electron surrounding with that nucleus. Therefore hydrogen having 1 number of atomic number, and there are 4 hydrogen atoms like this, and at the center you can see here the carbon atom having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 number of protons. Therefore carbon having 6 atomic number, and these protons are present in nucleus, and electrons are revolving around the nucleus, and electrons are also 6 in number. So this is the example of some elements are combined and form a compound. Now we can see here what is a mixture. What is a mixture? 2 or more substances that are mixed together but are not chemically bonded. So this is the mixture. These are the examples of mixture. Now what is an element, compound or mixture? So students, this is the element, these are the compound. They combinedly form one thing, that is here the element, the compound, and whole they combinedly call as a element, compound and a mixture. So students, thank you.